friends. My name is Teacher Julie, and this is my monkey Mono.
Mono!
Hi, Mono. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, wonderful. Well, today I'm going to share my new book about greetings in English. I'm a Spanish teacher and an English teacher, and also I do sign language. So we're going to read our story together today. It's called the Greetings Mini Chatbook. So let me share that with you. Here we go. And I'll do the sign languages up here in the corner with the signs. And you can sign along and read along with me. So let me get started.
Yay!
Mono loves books. So this is the Greetings Mini Chatbook number 2 in English. Hello. We also have in Spanish. You can find out more at my website, SpanishChatCompany.com. And there I am with shorter hair by Julie J.D. Pospisil. Greetings and smiles from author and teacher Maestra Julia, J.D. Pospisil, and there I am at a bird park near Iguazu waterfalls on the border of Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. So let's go ahead and get started with our book. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am well. And you? I am very happy. Mono looks really happy. Good afternoon. How are you? Oh, I am sick. And you? I am sick. And you, Mono?
Blah.
Oh no, that does not sound good at all. I feel very bad. Oh, feeling much better. Good night. Oh, Mona looks very tired. How are you? Oh, Mona looks tired. I am tired. And you? I am tired. And you, Mono?
Yes, I am very tired.
Oh, you poor girl to me, and oh, you poor boy to Mono. Poor thing. A-E-I-O-U. What is your name? Hey, you. My name is Teacher Julie, and you?
Mono!
My name is Teacher Joe, and you? My name is John, and you? My name is Rose. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. That's an L for later. See you later. Cha-cha-cha. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. Goodbye, friends. And there is our greeting song to the tune of Skip to My Lou. So we're going to do that together in just a minute here. Here are my other chapbooks. I have 10 in English and 10 in Spanish. And this is a sunset picture that I took when I was in Cartagena, Colombia. So it says, good night and goodbye, friends. That's the end of this story. So let's go ahead and reset all the way to the beginning of our book. And it starts right here with good morning. Let me get the music going, and we are going to sing and sign along with the greetings.
Yay!
Oh, Mono likes that one. Here we go.
Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? How are you? I am well, and you? I am well, and you? I am well, and you? I am very happy. Good afternoon, how are you? Good afternoon, how are you? Good afternoon. sick, and you? I am sick, and you? I feel very bad. Good night, how are you? Good night, how are you? Good night, how are you? How are you? I am tired, and you? I am tired, and you? I am tired, and you? Oh, you poor girl, oh, you poor boy. A-E-I-O-U, what is your name, hey you? A-E-I-O-U, what is your name, hey you? My name is teacher, and you? My name is teacher, and you? My name is, and you? Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. See you later, cha-cha-cha. See you later, cha-cha-cha. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends.
Excelente. Well, it was so great to spend some time with you today. And it was really fun to get to sing and to read my story, the Greetings Mini Chatbook. Hopefully you can enjoy some of my other videos. And we're going to say goodbye to our friend Mono the monkey. And I'm going to say goodbye, friends. Goodbye. See you later.